JACQUEMUS. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel where we take old clothes and make it fashion. As the real fashion expert might have suspected by now, we're gonna recreate an outfit from
JACQUEMUS.
I'm sorry guys.
JACQUEMUS.
Is that how you pronounce it? Anyway, we're gonna make this shirt.
Boobies!
No, I'm joking. So we're gonna do this one, and on request of a viewer, this is gonna be a non-sewing project. So if you want to get into upcycling but you don't know how to sew, this video is for you. So I guess it's gonna be this white shirt, because for me this had the most kind of
JACQUEMUS.
feel. Okay, easy, ready. Upcycling set, project, go! So I already fitted it and marked the desired length. Then I add about 6 centimeters of hemline allowance, so quite a lot, and I crop it like it's hot. Then I take my fusible adhesive and I make sure to cut strips of about 6 centimeters wide, and I need the whole length of the hemline.
Open sesame!
And then now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna take some baking paper and stick the fusible adhesive around the hemline. I put my iron on full heat because I want it to stick very well, but be careful with your fabric, of course. You may want to put some baking paper on your ironing board as well to protect it from getting stains of fusible adhesive on it. Make sure you take baking paper. Last time I took like sandwich paper and well, the paper was sticking on the garment constantly and I was like, what am I doing wrong? What's happening, baking paper? So then I'm gonna fold 1 centimeter in and iron over it so that it will stick to the inside. This is just so easy. Why do we even have sewing machines again? Just make sure to not touch your iron to the fusible adhesive. Therefore you may use baking paper in between again as well. After the 1 centimeter I'm gonna fold it in half. So I'm just gonna fold the fabric in one more time so that the edge of the fabric is aligned with the edge of where the fusible adhesive stops. And I'm gonna stick it together again with my hot iron. Applying quite some pressure. And if you can't sew, this is also the ideal way to make things shorter without having to sew. So there we have a cropped shirt with some orange markings on there. Hope it washes out. Please keep my thank you. Anyway, hello. I need a ruler. So we have a cropped shirt now. Well, we're halfway through. That was easy. We're gonna do the front, the middle front, let it overlap a little bit. So my middle front is overlapping about 11 centimeters. This is a little bit much, but my shirt was a little bit big. You best just pin it and take a look in the mirror how it fits. And then I'm just going along the edge with a hand stitch and try to make it look as invisible as possible.
Many minutes later.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go back to the rest piece of shirt that I still have.
Hey!
Maybe I should measure it out a little bit. I would say you cut 3 times the width.
I guess plus 1 centimeter. So I'm gonna go for a width of 8.5 centimeters. So that the actual band will end up being about 2 centimeters.
I'm doing this from my head. I hope it's correct. So I decided to reinforce first because the fabric is so flimsy. So I'm just gonna cut the same width of interfacing. Iron on interface. So for the band I'm gonna do exactly the same as the hemline basically. Folding the seam allowances in. Then I add strips of fusible adhesive to cover the full width of the band using my baking paper again. And then folding the band one more time double, using a lot of pressure again to make it stick as well as possible. I would say making this band with fusible adhesive is definitely not ideal. If you have a sewing machine, I recommend making a band on the sewing machine, or maybe you have a strap at home that you can use. Then I'm gonna add this dark blue buckle. Yes, I'm aware it's dark blue. It's locked down. It's the only thing I have. Don't judge, please, thank you. I'm just gonna close it on the inside with some hand stitches again. Okay, I think I like it. Hello, plants. I think, okay. With this outfit, I feel literally I'm in the jungle. It has a little bit of this kind of Indiana Jones feel, but I really like it. Maybe on the front I overlapped a little too much with my 11-12 centimeters, because you don't see the band too much on the front, but you can obviously overlap less and have it more visible. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know with a like and a comment down below. And share it if you know anyone who loves
JACQUEMUS.
And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my weekly videos. Okay, fashion show.
Fashion.